guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing yet again another headband wig, and it is sponsored by Luvme Hair. Shout out to Luvme Hair for sending me this lovely headband wig, and I want to show you guys what the hair came inside of. It came inside of this lovely box, and inside of the box it came with a wig cap. I already opened it because I already have one on, and then it also came with this little like baggie that says Luvme Hair on it, and inside of it is some goodies. So you get some bobby pins, you get a edge brush, I'm just throwing them on the ground, then you get this little Luvme clip, hair clip thing. This is really cute. I've actually got a lot of these that have become like really useful, especially when I'm doing my hair. Then you get this little band thing, and of course a Luvme hair tie. I want to show you guys the headbands that they gave me. I'm gonna put them all on my arm. They gave me a lot. So this is all of the headbands that they gave me. I'll show you guys what they all look like on me. Personally, I feel like this one has to be my favorite, only because it matches my shirt that I have on right now. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. This is what the wig looks like. This is their wet and wavy headband wig. Now, this is not the wig straight out of the box. I already went ahead and washed it. Now, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like up close. See, the headband wig is clearly stitched to it, so you guys can't remove it. And this is the inside. It comes with some combs and then one at the bottom for some extra security, and it also comes with Velcro, so you guys can Velcro it to your tailored head size. Now, this is going to be my first time putting it on, and I've had headband wigs from Luvme Hair before, and they usually fit on me pretty snug, and I do have a small head, by the way. So let me go ahead and get this situated. And by the way, I just have my hair slicked back in a ponytail with a wig cap on. Nothing special at all. I just wanted my edges out too as well, just to make it look a little bit more natural. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the Velcro, and attach it in the back just to make sure that it is secure. Now the headband wig, it comes like this, you know, just straight across, but I like to push mine back because I like it to look a little bit more natural. And let me push this camera down. Honestly, I didn't do anything to the hair. I literally just washed it and let it air dry, and this is what it came to. Once again, this is their wet and wavy headband wig. Now, honestly, you guys can leave it like this if you want to, but personally me, I'm going to show you guys what the different headbands look like. I'm just going to show you guys some different hairstyles that you guys can do with this wig. Now, if you haven't already, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below in the comments, and tell me which one you guys think is your favorite hairstyle. Personally, for me, mine is the half up, half down, but it could be different for you guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you. that is it, you guys. This is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial, and once again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.